My family has experienced the typical healthcare issues. For us, it often came in waves. Then the tsunami hit. Within 3 months, we experienced pneumonia, cholesterol, diabetes, appendicitis, appendectomy, and then leukemia. That set in motion a whirlwind of activity and emotions. There was lab tests, specialists, medication, more lab tests, waiting rooms, research, internet searches, questions, more questions, waiting for appointments, waiting for results, watch and waiting. We were overwhelmed, stressed, exhausted, and frightened. The fog had rolled in. We couldn't see. We couldn't breathe. As the fog started to lift, I found myself awake one night. I sat alone at the kitchen table and I sobbed. The realization that my children could lose one or both of their parents in the near future was my worst nightmare. Although I'm not the one with leukemia, I'm the unhealthiest one in the family. I was morbidly obese at almost 400 pounds and in multiple pre-existing health conditions. If I did not address my obesity, I would die. I needed professional help. Jenny Craig or Weight Watchers wouldn't be enough. My obesity was limiting me both physically and emotionally. It was erasing me from my life and the life with my family. I needed help. I needed a plan. I needed support. My first meeting with the dietitian was the start of my total transformation. "What's your plan?" she asked. I slid a piece of paper across the table with the amount of weight that I wanted to lose on it. She slid it back to me. "That's your vision," she said. "That's not your plan." "Well, isn't that what you're here for?" I asked. "No, it's your journey. It's your plan." We battled sliding the piece of paper back and forth between us, and then she said, "I want you to focus on small goals, small changes. I believe you can do this. You have what it takes." The pressure valve was released. I'd found support. Beyond the physical challenges, I also had to battle the stigma, the judgment, the shame of my obesity and my size. Asking and accepting help was as difficult for me as climbing a mountain. Transforming myself and my nation. As I embarked on my changes, my family did their own. Combined, they lost 125 pounds. My son passed his physical fitness exam for basic training. My colleagues noticed the change. They started to share their own journeys. They started to tell me their stories, their fears, their goals. I unintentionally inspired others by transforming my own nation. They began to transform theirs.